Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to group and summarize data in a Notion table. So I've already created a table database with 4 projects in and indicated their status. The way to group this is to go to the upper right and click on the 2 lines settings and go down to group, click on it, and you can group by any property you have. I only have the name and status, so those are the only 2 I can group by. I'm going to choose status and show you what this looks like. So when I click status, you see I have the 3 that are not started together and then the 1 that's in progress. And when you have more projects, this will be more useful. And you can also click on the arrow and collapse it so it's not in the way. And as always, you can add more properties and group according to that. So hope this helps. Thank you.